So these elements usually are a little tricky to get out. So you kind of twist it and wiggle it. And obviously, of course, make sure everything's unplugged. Use the camera work, doing this all with one hand. So first thing you want to do, if you're an amateur, take a picture of your first time doing this. Take a picture of the wiring to make sure you put everything back the way it was. But basically, you want one power wire here and one power wire in the back. Now, other than that, everything is just connecting to each other. So. Plug everything. Alright, so I got the element out. Now you can test it while it's in there, or you can test it when it's out, which is easier, but if it's not the element, then you've kind of spent a lot of time. So anyway, I'm going to retest it again. I already done it once, but show you. Your voltmeter, I want to put it on continuity, which is that setting right there. You see that symbol? That's continuity. And my meter has a beep, makes a beep. And you can always test it by touching your probes together. And it shows 0 resistance. That's what that means. So now, element, continuity. And when you test the element, you always want to test the probe here and touch the body. Because if it beeps when it touches the body, that means it's grounding out and your element's bad. But there's no beep, so that's good. Heat regulator. That's always going to have continuity. That basically turns off once the heat gets to 146 Celsius. And it keeps a range of 146 and 180, around 190 degrees Celsius. And then once it gets that hot, it turns it off. And this is your high limit fuse. And if that doesn't work, you won't get no continuity. So that's how you test a heating element and your fuses. And typically, if this is the issue on this particular repair, this isn't the problem. It's most likely a computer board on this. So I'm gonna check that next. But if this does not beep, then this is blown and you need to replace it. But when you replace this, your high limit fuse, also replace this, because sometimes if this doesn't turn off the element, it'll overheat and this will blow as a backup.